Hello second year, it's Friday, so we're back doing our coding topic. This week our learning intentions and success criteria are, we're learning about planning, flowcharts and variables, with success criteria of plan a route by writing simple instructions, completing a flowchart and creating a Python program using variables. Very quick starter to get everyone going. If you check in Google Classroom, there's a wee activity called Coding Week 3 Starter. You need to plan a route home, collecting items and avoiding dangers. It will look a little like this. So there we have got Flo the hedgehog. Flo needs to get all the way back home to her house up here. What we'd like you to do is give her directions. It's moving forward, turn left, turn right. She's starting facing up the way. So forward will move her to here. What we want to do is eat as many of the snails as possible and avoid all of the foxes. Next up, as part of planning, most of the time when we're coding, we do not jump straight onto a computer. We have to take some time to figure out how our program is going to work, and we've got lots of different tools we can use to do that. One of them is flowcharts. We can use flowcharts to plan out lots of activities, not just coding. So flowchart is a visual method of describing a set of step-by-step instructions for a task or process, which means we're drawing a wee picture to make a plan of what we're doing. So we use different symbols for different parts of the plan, and the three ones we're going to be looking at are that one there, which is a terminator. That's how we start and finish the program. I've got a square rectangle there with the square edges instead of the round ones. That's a process, or something that happens. And we've got a diamond, which is a selection or making a decision about what to do. And we connect them together using flow lines. We've got an example of how to cross the road. We've got our start of our sequence. There's one of our flow lines there, the arrow showing what way we're going. We're going to look left, we're going to look right, and then we're going to make a decision. Is a car coming? If there is a car coming, we're going to go right the way back round to here, look left, look right, and check if there's a car coming. If there is, we go right the way back round, look left, look right, check if there's a car coming. If there's not a car coming, then we can walk across the road. And then we finish off our sequence with our wee terminator down there with the end written on it. Now, to have we go with flowcharts, I'm not going to get you to draw them any yourself at the moment. What I would like you to do is complete the wee flowchart activity on Google Classroom. This is a wee copy of it here. So we've got a flowchart here, and we have got blank spaces labelled A, B, C, D, E and F and G. At the bottom of the table we have got 7 statements, and you have to match up the letter where each of those statements should fit on the flowchart. Next up, we're on to our Python. Our new bit for Python is variables. So the next instruction we use is input. Input command looks at that. Name equals input. What is your name? Now, input lets people type an answer in, or type something in, and that name bit there is a variable. Now, variable we're using as a wee storage location. It's like a virtual box in the computer memory that holds information. So we've made a new variable there. It is called name, and if we type in name equals input, what's your name, it will come up on the screen, what is your name, and wait for someone to type an answer. Whatever they type in gets stored in that little box called name. And once we've got that information, we can use it again in our programs. So when we type in our Python code, name input, what is your name, and somebody types in their name, that gets stored in the box. And when we respond to that, so we print hello name, how are you today, we grab that name out of the box and display that sentence, hello Monty, how are you today. Task number 2 today, we're going to log on to Discovery Education, and we'll start lesson 3, inputs and variables, on the Introduction to Python lessons. please screenshot your code as you're going through it and attach it to the document I've left up in Google Classroom for you. So I've left the website there and on Google Classroom. So www.discoveryeducation.co.uk. Remember the .co.uk, the .com doesn't work. Our username is student4087, password opcomp01. Remember your capital letters there. And I'm going to finish off today. Task 3, we've got a wee quiz on Google Classroom. Good luck everyone, and any problems at all, send me a wee email, message me in Classroom, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Bye bye.